5G is already transforming the way we connect. But did you know that 6G is just around the corner? Today, we're diving into the key differences between 5G and 6G and what these advancements mean for you and the future of telecommunications. Let's start with 5G. By now, you've likely heard the hype, super fast speeds, low latency, and the ability to connect millions of devices at once. But the real game changer, 5G enables the growth of smart cities and autonomous vehicles while improving connectivity for rural areas. Now, here comes 6G. Expected to launch around 2030, 6G will take telecommunication to a new level. It promises terahertz spectrum, making it 100 times faster than 5G. Imagine instant holographic calls, real-time augmented reality, and a truly connected world where everything from smart cities to AI-driven healthcare operates seamlessly. Now let's break down the 5 key differences between 5G and 6G. Speed. While 5G offers peak speeds of 10 gigabits per second, 6G could reach an astounding 1 terabit per second. Latency: 5G reduced latency to 1 millisecond, but 6G will go even lower, allowing instantaneous communication across devices. Spectrum: use 6G will tap into the terahertz frequencies, unlocking higher data rates and greater bandwidth for connected devices. AI integration. With 6G, AI will run at the edge, enabling real-time data processing for everything from smart homes to robotics. Global coverage: 5G is expanding coverage, but 6G will push this further with the help of satellites, delivering seamless global connectivity in even the most remote locations. So how will 6G change your daily life? Imagine walking through a city with your phone guiding you, using real-time augmented reality, or making holographic video calls with family across the world. Even more exciting is how 6G will revolutionize AI-powered healthcare, allowing doctors to perform remote surgeries with zero latency. Before we dive into the future, here's a bonus tech hack to make the most out of 5G right now. Enable 5G auto mode on your phone for the best balance between speed and battery life. Use a 5G home router to improve speeds if fiber isn't available in your area. These tips will keep you ahead of the curve while we wait for 6G's game-changing features. Are you ready for the 6G revolution? What feature are you most excited about? Drop your thoughts in the comments and don't forget to subscribe for more updates on the future of tech and telecommunications. See you in the next video.